Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti alla matriciana. For spaghetti alla matriciana, what you need, I got olio di oliva, plum tomato, I take the seeds out and I take the skin out. I need a little white wine. I got a spaghetti, 1 pound of spaghetti. I got my oil baby, it's a hot pepper. And this is the guanciale. And I got pecorino cheese. If you don't have no guanciale, it's hard to find for the guanciale, you can use bacon or pancetta. Now it's time we got the guanciale and we got it cut on a cube. Not too big, but little cube like this. See? Okay. Now we got to start to cook the guanciale. I like to put the little oil on the pots. I like to use the wooden spoon. We put the guanciale right in these pots. We gotta fry the guanciale, okay, you got a lot of fat, and all the fat, you gotta go out, and I want to make the guanciale nice, crispy. Okay, the guanciale is almost done, and I got a little wine. Okay, soften them up a little bit. Oh, baby. I put over here. Oh, boy. This is the guanciale. When I was in Italy, the Orsara, I was eating so many this. When I have the pig over there, I was taking the pig, I was going to, and the chicken, the pig, I was saying, oh, look how nice. The pig, it was so beautiful, the chick. It was, okay, now, this is ready, and we take out, but I want to see if it's good. Look crunchy. Delicious. And now we cut the tomato and we make like cube like this. Okay, now we start the first with my hot pepper, oh yeah baby. I give a little turn because this hot pepper, I want a nice hot, the fat for the guanciale. And now it's a time to put the tomato, the plum tomato. The tomato gotta cook. When the pasta is ready, the tomato is ready, like 10 to 11 minutes. Now the water boil and salty already. Now it's the time of the pasta. All right. Now, when it be done the pasta for 11 minutes, the sauce it be ready too. Okay, now the pasta, we turn the water off, and I want to keep the pasta al dente, because I want to cook a little bit more with the sauce. Tonight, I have a nice big dish. I'm not share with nobody this pasta. A nice glass of wine. I don't want to miss my wine tonight. Hey, I don't want to forget my guanciale. And we put it right over here in this dish. And now, we give a nice mix. Okay, now we keep the flame a little high. It's why I take it out the pasta al dente. I wanted to cook a little bit more with all the tomato, the guanciale, everything. And look at my oye baby, go all over the place. Look at that, look at that. Stay there, baby. Okay, now it's done. I was leave it cook for a couple of more minutes. That's why I was take it out al dente. Now I want to taste. And let me take a little bite over here, the spaghetti. Oh, good. Now what you need a little pecorino cheese on the top. Okay, let me taste my spaghetti alla matriciana. And the guanciale. Really, really good. I tell you the truth, I can eat this pasta all by myself. I want everybody to make this dish. It's really good. It's delicious. And I want to say, salute, cincina, everybody, we see next recipe. Salute. Chin chin.